Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. I'm excited. I've got new molds and you're probably thinking to yourself, Megan, don't you already have a set of domino molds? Yes, I do, and these are not domino molds, but thanks for asking. I got some new tarot card molds. Let me see, which way is up? This way is up. Okay. You're not going to be able to see them very well, just because they're so tiny and intricate. But this came with 24 tarot cards in this set. As always, I will have everything that I use in my video today linked down below. Amazon links are affiliate links, and that's where I got this from. This set from is Amazon. And I brought over one of the other tarot card molds to show you the size difference. So you could actually fit 4 of these into one of these and still have room left over. So I'm super excited to try these out. Of course, I'm just going to make this super simple. I'm going to do a black resin in them. And for these, I don't think that I'm going to add the white paint to them because I really did like the look of just the black resin with the shadows in them. So that's what we're doing today. Super simple. I cannot wait to see how these look. I do have some plans for these, and so that will actually roll over into Tuesday's video, next Tuesday's video. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm so excited to see how these turn out. I do believe that they came from the same company that the large tarot cards did. So I'm hoping that that means that these are just as good of quality as the big ones. So let me mix up my resin, get it all poured in there. I am going to give you that very special second angle of the pour. And we will be back, or my voice will be back for the unmolding. So hang tight, enjoy. Alrighty, all you hip cats, we are good to go. These are nice and cured. Of course, they're still a little bit bendy because, you know, Dr. Crafty. Let's see how they look. Oh, they look nice. Very nice. Alright, there's one half. Alright. Now, let's zoom in here. What do you guys think? I do have a couple here that have some booblés. Cute little booblés. But other than that, I think they look great. I'm still trying to decide if I'm going to add white to them or not. They do seem... The designs don't seem to stick out as much on this one as they did on the other one. So yeah, I probably will be adding the white paint to them. But that'll be something that you guys will see in the glamour shots. These, so like I said, these would make perfect little keychains or whatnot. Yeah, they turned out great, guys. I'm excited for these. But I will be putting a to be continued on this video because I'll be using these in another project in my video next Tuesday. So definitely stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed already, just go ahead and do it. It's free. Click the red subscribe button. Ring the bell for notifications. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by leaving it a big thumbs up. My camera's about to die, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you